Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your online class. In last few classes already we have discussed about the magnetic field. Okay, what is the magnetic field of a bar magnet? Okay, and also some other types of magnet. How we can identify, detect, and predict their magnetic field. And already we have discussed with the help of some activity and experiment how we can represent the magnetic field around a bar magnet and also magnetic force of a bar magnet. Clear? Today we will discuss about the magnetic field lines of force. What is the magnetic field lines of force and what is the direction of the magnetic field lines of force? Clear? And one more point we will discuss. What? Properties of the magnetic field line of force. Clear? So first point, what is the magnetic field line of force? Magnetic field lines of force. In last few videos and topics already we have discussed what? Magnetic field means what? Space around a magnet in which any magnetic substance experiences a force of attraction. A force of attraction along a path. That path traced by the magnetic substance in the given region will form a line of force, magnetic field or magnetic field line of force. Clear? So here if we bring a magnet or a magnetic substance near the north pole or south pole, what? Then it will attracted by the poles. Clear? So in which region it will influenced by the magnet? That particular region is called magnetic field. Clear? Okay. And if we draw the magnetic fields of a bar magnet, we found that what? The field line started from the north pole and ends to the south pole. Clear? And one more thing here, we found what? The maximum field lines are dense at the ends of the bar magnet. At the ends of the bar magnet means the strength, due to the strength of the bar magnet is maximum at the poles. That's why the field lines or magnetic field lines are very dense or very close to each other at the ends of the bar magnet, is at north pole and south pole. Okay, clear? So here it is originated from the north pole and moved toward the south pole, means ends to the south pole. Clear? So what are these magnetic field lines of force? It is a closed curve, closed continuous curve. Here no any break in this curve. Closed continuous curve in a magnetic field means the region is space around a magnet along which the north pole will move if free to do so, and its direction is given by the direction in which free north pole will point. So here what? According to definitions, the magnetic field lines is what? It is a closed curve which is originated from the north pole and ends to the south pole. And it is a path along which any other north pole will free to move from north to south directions. North to south directions means the direction of the magnetic field is what? Always from north to south. Outside the magnet. But inside the magnet what? If we discuss about the inside the magnet is the direction of the field lines is what? South to north. South pole to the north pole. Clear? Okay. So here if we place any other magnet or magnetic substance like magnetic compass needle, so what you will say? You will see that here the magnetic or compass needle will move from north pole to the or towards the south pole. Okay. So directions of the magnetic field lines is always from north pole towards the south pole. Okay. Now we will discuss about some properties of the magnetic field lines. It always form a closed curve. Here you can see in the diagram of the magnetic field lines. The field lines always form a closed curve. See here, it started from north pole and ends to the south pole. ये north pole से start हो रही है और कहाँ पे खत्म हो रही है? South pole पे. Clear? Means each curve is a form of closed curve. Closed curve. they will never intersect to each other. यहाँ पे देखिए कोई भी जो फील्ड लाइंस है, they will not intersect to each other. Intersect to each other. Clear? Some more property. They are directed from north pole to the south pole, outside the magnet, and inside the magnet they are directed from south to north. Just reverse. इसका जो डायरेक्शन है मैग्नेट के बाहर कैसे होगा, नॉर्थ से साउथ, एंड मैग्नेट के अंदर साउथ से नॉर्थ. क्लियर? नाउ they tend to contract longitudinally, that is they bend along the length of the magnet. Means the magnetic lines what start from the north pole and slowly it will bend, start bend and inch to the south pole. Means along the length of the magnet. ये जो लेंथ है नॉर्थ से साउथ पोल तक की लेंथ, इसके along जो मैग्नेटिक लाइंस है वो क्या हो रही है, ऐसे बेंड हो रही है. ओके, मींस along the length of the magnet the magnetic lines are bent. Okay, from north to south. Now some more properties given. They tend to repel each other. See here, at the ends they are very close, dense, but in the center, see, they are very far away from each other. Means they will tend to repel each other. एक दूसरे क्या करती हैं, repel करती हैं. Clear? And the last property, see, their number of determines the strength of magnetic fields. Means how much magnetic field lines here we can represent, or the magnetic field represented by a bar magnet, it's defined or it's determined its strength. Maximum number of lines are present by a bar magnet, its strength is maximum at the poles. See here at the poles, at the ends of the bar magnet, the field lines is maximum, means it is dense. So its strength is here maximum. Clear? So these are some property of the magnetic field lines of force, okay, which is originated from north pole and into the south pole. Okay, students, they will never intersect to each other. They will always start from north pole and ends to the south pole. Okay, the directions of the magnetic field lines is always from north to south, outside the magnet, and from south to north, inside the magnet. Clear? Okay, and they will tend to repel each other to outside the magnet. And the strength of the magnet is the strength of the magnetic field lines is maximum at the ends of the poles of the magnet. Okay, so this is the overall view about the magnetic field lines and the properties of the magnetic field lines. Try to understand these topics. Okay, watch this video very carefully. Okay, students, any doubt you can ask through the message or next video. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.